welcome to the mathematics class. This class is for class 7 exponents and this is the third part. In this we will be discussing exercise 4C. Now in this first question is give the meaning of each of the following and if possible simplify. So I am taking first question third part and it is 419 to the power 0. So you all know anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So its value will be simply 1. That's it. Now the one more seventh part I am taking. It is 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1. Now minus 1 means if this has to be made positive, we always try to make the powers positive. Now if minus 1 has to be made positive, it means it will reciprocate. It will become 3 upon 1 to the power 1. 3 upon 1 means simply 3 to the power 1. 3 to the power means only 3. That can be written like this. Now we move on to second question. Find the value of each of the following. So in this we will be discussing, let's discuss second part. Second part is 2 upon 3 to the power minus 1. So what we will do, we will try to make the power positive. So this 2 by 3 will reciprocate. It will become 3 upon 2 to the power 1 or simply 3 upon 2. Simply 3 upon 2. Next I will be taking fifth part, that is minus 4 to the power minus 1. Again minus 1, so minus 4 can be written as minus 4 upon 1 to the power minus 1. You will reciprocate it, it will become 1 upon minus 4 to the power 1, or simply this can be written as 1 upon minus 4 or even minus 1 upon 4. That is the final value. Now let's take the third question. Question number 3 has three parts. So I'll be doing the first part first. First part is 7 to the power 0 plus 8 to the power 0 plus 9 to the power 0. We know that anything to the power 0 is 1. It means 7 to the power 0 is 1, 8 to the power 0 is 1 and 9 to the power 0 is 1. It means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. That's it. That is the value. Means here in this exercise what we are doing, we have learnt the formulae or the laws of exponents. Now we are learning how to use them to solve questions of exponents. This is what we are doing. Now next question I am taking as fourth part, that is 2 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 3. Fourth part is 2 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 3. Now in this what we will do, this will become positive, so it can be written as, we have to make the power minus 1 as plus 1, so this 2 will reciprocate. 2 means 2 upon 1. If it is only 2 written, it can be written as 2 upon 1. So its reciprocal will be 1 upon 2. We have reciprocated, so the power will become positive, so into 1 upon 2 to the power 3. Again same concept here also. So when the bases are same, and in between there is a multiplication sign, so powers get added. So it will be 1 upon 2 to the power 1 plus 3. That is 1 upon 2 to the power 4, means 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, or you can say 1 upon 16 is the final value. Now we take fifth part. Fifth part is 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 1 whole power 2. 3 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 3, then division sign. 4 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 4 and its square. Now we know that when fractions are divided by fractions, this division sign converts to the multiplication sign, and the next fraction is inverse, or it means it can be written as 1 upon 3 into 4 upon 1 whole power 2. Now 4 into 1 is 4, 3 into 1 is 3 to the power 2, 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. If you want, you can leave the answer over here, or you convert it into a mixed fraction. So 9 ones are 9 and 7. 16 upon 9, that is the final value. So we move on to the next question now. I am taking, that is second part. 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2 into 3 upon 4 to the power minus 3 into 7 upon 8 to the power 0. So if the power is negative, we will inverse this fraction, that will become 3 upon 2 and its power will be positive, into this will also reciprocate, so 4 upon 3 to the power 3, and we know anything to the power 0 is 1, so that will be 1. It means this can be written as 3 square upon 2 square. 3 upon 2 square means, when you open the bracket, 3 square into 3 square upon 2 square into 4 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 3 into 1. Now 3 square upon 2 square into 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. So 4 power 3 upon 3 power 3. That into 1, either you write or you don't write, that is up to you. So this is 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3 2s are 6. How this came? Because when there is a power of power, the powers get multiplied. So second law. So 3 to the power 6 upon 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. It can be written as, this 2 will come to the denominator, this 2 to the power 2 will go to the numerator, means 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power minus 2. What I have done, this denominator it has been brought to the numerator, and this numerator 3 square is brought to the denominator, because it is 2 in plus. When it will come in denominator, it will become minus. Since it is small, so power will be positive. So 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power minus 2. When the bases are equal, we know that the powers get added. So 2 to the power 6 minus 2 upon 3 to the power 3 minus 2. 6 to the power 6 minus 2 means 4. So 2 to the power 4 upon 3. 3 to the power 1. Or 2 to the power 5 can be written as 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 16 upon 3. If you want, you can convert it to a mixed fraction. So 3 5s are 15 and 116 upon 3, that is the final value. Now we move on to question number 4, third part. Third part I am writing over here, that is 4 upon 9 to the power minus 2. 4 upon 9 to the power minus 2 into 1 upon 4 to the power minus 2 into 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2 and into 17 upon 18 to the power 0. 17 upon 18 to the power 0. Now something to the power 0 is 1. This will become 1. Now in this case, 4 upon 9 to the power minus 2, it will reciprocate, means it will become 9 upon 4 to the power 2 into 1 upon 4 to the power minus 2 can be written as 4 upon 1 to the power 2, and 3 to the power minus 2 will come to the numerator. It will become 3 to the power 2 into 1. Now 9, this can be written as 9 to the power 2 upon 4 to the power 2 into 4 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 into 1. Either you write or you don't write. Now 4 square and 4 square will cancel, or if they will not cancel, this 4 will go to the numerator, means 9 square into 4 to the power 2, and this denominator I am bringing to the numerator. It will become, the power will become negative, so 4 to the power minus 2 into 3 square is 9 into 1. Now it will become 9 square into 4 to the power 2 minus 2, because bases are same, so powers get added. So 2 minus 2, that is I have written 2 minus 2 into 9 into 1. Now for 9 square, 2 minus 2 will be 0, 4 to the power 0 into 9 into 1. Something to the power 0 is again 1. So this will be 9 square into 9 into 1 into 1 for this one and 1 for this. So this will become 9 to the power 3, because the bases are same and it is 9 square, and 9 can be written as 9 to the power 1. So 9 to the power 2 plus 1 into 1, either you write or you don't write, it hardly matters. It becomes 9 to the power 3. 9 to the power 3 means 9 into 9, 81. 81 into 9 is 729. That is the final value. Now we move on to the next question, that is question number 5. Next question is question number 5. We have taken fourth part and fifth and sixth we'll be doing. Now in this question it is written simplify. Simplify means you have to find the final value. Final value means you have to find the, suppose it was, okay, let's see what we'll do. Suppose it comes, answer comes as a particular numerical value, let's say 512. So you have to solve up to the last part. You will not leave up to the, in the form of exponential form. So now in this question, what it is, 2 to the power minus 4. This minus can come to the denominator and it will become positive. So we can say 1 upon 2 to the power 4 into 1 upon 2 to the power 4, means this 2 to the power 4 is this one, and this 2 to the power minus 4 is brought down to the denominator, so it becomes 2 to the power 4. Now in the denominator, the bases are same as well as powers are also same, but the powers will get added. So 2 to the power 8. Now 2 to the power 8 means 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. 32 to the 64. 64 to the 128. 128 to the 256. Final value will be 1 upon 256. Means I have multiplied 2 how many times? 8 times. So this is the final value. Now let's see what is there in the fifth part. Fifth part is 3 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power 8. You know, when the bases are same, powers are different, powers get added. So this can be written as 3 to the power minus 5 plus 8, or 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is what? 3. So 3 to the power 3. 3 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27 is the final value. Now we will move on to the sixth part. Sixth is minus 2 upon 3 to the power 2 and into again minus 2 upon 3. So minus, this single minus 2 upon 3 can be written as minus 2 upon 3 to the power 1. 1, if it is written, it's okay. If it is not written, it is 1. So this will become minus 2 upon 3, and we know when the bases are equal and powers are different, powers get added. So 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Means minus 2 upon 3 to the power 3. Now minus 2 multiplied 3 times, and we know that if there is an odd power of minus, it will always come minus. So first put minus. 2 to the 4 to the 8 upon 3 3 is a 9 3 is a 27. This is the final value. Now we move on to the question number 6. We'll do the second part. First I am leaving it for you to do it in your rough notebook, and all these questions will be done in your fair notebook. Now question number 6, minus 2 to the power minus 1 divided by minus 2 to the power minus 4. Minus 2 to the power minus 4. First of all, we will convert both these powers with both these exponents with positive power. So minus 1 can be written as 1 upon minus 2 to the power 1, then division sign, then 1 upon minus 2 to the power 4. Because it was in numerator, 2 2 can be written as 2 upon 1, or minus 2 can be written as minus 2 upon 1, and if its power is minus 1, it can be written as 1 upon minus 2. So that is why minus 2 to the power minus 1. So 1 upon minus 2 to the power. Now we will eliminate this division sign. This can be written as 1 upon minus 2. This will convert to multiplication sign, and again this number will reciprocate. So minus 2 to the power 4 upon 1 means whole power. If it is whole power, it means it can be written as 1 upon minus 2 into minus 2 to the power 4 upon 1. 1 to the power 4 is also 1. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 will be 1. So I am writing just 1. Now in this you can see, if you bring this power to the numerator, it will become minus 2 to the power minus 1 into minus 2 to the power 4 upon 1. Now when the bases are equal and powers are different, we know that powers get added. So simply minus 2 to the power minus 1 plus 4. That makes minus 2 to the power 3, and again 3 is odd number, so sign will be negative, and 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. That is your final value. Now let's move on to the third part. Third is again the same, 3 to the power third I am writing minus 3 to the power minus 6, division sign, and minus 3 to the power minus 3. So this can be written as 1 upon minus 3 to the power 6 and 1 upon minus 3 to the power 3, and in between there is a division sign. Now when we remove this division sign, this division sign will become multiplication sign, and this number will reciprocate. It means minus 1 upon 3 to the power 6 into minus 3 upon 1 to the power 3. So it means that 1 to the power 6, 6 is even number. So final value of negative will be positive. So it will be 1 upon 3 to the power 6. Minus 1 to the power 6 will be 1 into 1 into 1 will be 1, and sign will be positive because it is 6 is even number, and here 3 will have 3 to the power 6 into, this is minus and odd number, so negative number will come, 3 to the power 3 upon 1. Now what we can do in this, if we bring this minus 3 to the denominator, means 1 upon 3 to the power 6 into minus 1 upon 3 to the power 6, upon minus 3 to the power 3. Now if this value power 3 will be odd, so I am taking this minus out, means I am writing it separately instead of writing it with 3, because we know that its value will become minus 27. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27, and minus, if it is multiplied how many times? Odd times, it will come minus. So I am writing minus first, and then 1 upon 3 to the power 6 into 1 upon 3 to the power, it will come in the denominator, it will become minus 3. So 3 to the power minus 3, because 3 to the power 3 when it comes to the denominator, it will become minus 3. So 3 to the power minus 3. Now it will become minus 1 upon 3 to the power 6 minus 3, that is minus 1 upon 3 to the power 3, and 3 to the power 3 is minus 1 upon 27. That is the final value. Here it is minus 3 to the power 3. This numerator comes to the denominator, so sign will become negative. So that is why I have written minus 3. And when bases are equal, bases are same or equal, this is minus 3, the powers get added. So 6 plus minus 3 is 6 minus 3, and 6 minus 3 is 3, and minus was already there outside. So minus 1 upon 27. So that is the sixth question. I hope you have understood. Now we move on to the next question. Now next question I am taking as question number 7, second part. It is minus 3 upon 4 to the power minus 2 whole power minus 3 again whole power minus 1. First of all, we will solve inner bracket. So minus 2 power has one more power. It means this can be written as minus 3 upon 4 to the power 3 2s are minus 3 into minus 2 will be plus 6. So plus 6 to the power minus 1. Now this can be minus 1 into 6 will become minus 6. So minus 3 upon 4 whole power minus 6. Now the power is negative. We will try to convert it to the positive. So what will happen? This fraction will reciprocate or reverse. So this can be written as 4 upon minus 3 to the power 6. Here it was minus 3 upon 4. Here it became 4 upon minus 3. Here the sign was negative. Here the sign is positive. Now simplify means you have to multiply 4 how many times? 6 times. So it will become, I think, 1024 upon. Now minus sign will be positive because it is even power. So it will become positive. Now 3 into 3 into 3 to 3 into 3. Now 4 when multiplied 6 times you will get 4096, and minus 3 when multiplied 6 times you will get 729, and since minus sign is having a power 6, that is even number, so in any case this minus sign will change to plus sign. That is why I have not written any sign, and that is the final value. Now we take the third question. In the third part, the question is 15 upon 19 to the power minus 4 and then to the power minus 20. We know when there is power of power, simply powers get multiplied. So minus 4 into minus 20 will be plus 80. So this can be written 15 upon 19 to the power minus 4 into minus 20, which can be further written as 15 upon 19 to the power 80. That is your value. Why? Because it is very difficult to multiply 1580 times and then 1980 times. So better you leave your answer up to here. That's it. Now we move on to the next question. In this question, I have left question number 8. Question number 8 is we have done in the type of that question we have done in the above questions. Now I have taken question number 9. If x is equal to 2 upon 3 square whole power 3, find the reciprocal of x. X is this whole number, this total expression. So what we'll do, first we'll solve x and then we'll find the reciprocal. So let's solve x. X can be written as, when power is of power, it will become 2 into 3. So we can directly write 2 upon 3 to the power 6 into 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2 can be written as 3 to the power 2. This will reciprocate, and 3 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 6. Now this can be written as 2 to the power 6 upon 3 to the power 6 into, this is 3 square into 1 upon 3, and 6 can be written as 1 upon 2 into 3. Now this is 3 to the power, I will take all the 2's up and bring all the 3's down. So this can be written as 2 to the power 6, and this 2 will go up into 2 to the power minus 1. This 2 is in the denominator, it moves to the numerator, so power will become negative. Here it is 2 to the power 1. When it goes to the numerator, it will become 2 to the power minus 1 upon, this is 3 to the power 6 into, this will become 3 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1. Now when the bases are same, we simply add the power. So this will be 2 to the power 6 minus 1 upon 3 to the power 6 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So this will be 2 to the power 6 minus 1 is 5 upon 3 to the power 6. 1 and 1 2 of positive and minus 2 negative cancel. You will get only 6. So that is the answer. Now 2 to the 4 to the 8 to 16 to the 32. So 2 to the power 5 is 32, and 3 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27, 3 is a 81. 81 into 3 is 729, and 729 into 3 is 2187. I hope 2187. This will be your answer. It will not come 2187, it will come 729. So this is the value of x. Now you have to find the reciprocal of x. A reciprocal of x means its reverse. So a reciprocal will be, reciprocal of x will be 729 upon 32. This is the final value. Third question, 10th question, third part. In this you have to find the reciprocal of the given numbers. First and second part I have left for you. We will discuss third part. So first of all, you have to find the reciprocal. First we will find the final value and then we will reciprocate it. So 1 upon 3 to the power minus 3 to the power minus 3 can be written as 3 to the power 3. This denominator moves up or in the numerator and power will get positive. Minus 1 upon 2 can be written as 2 upon 1 or simply 2 to the power 3. This, and then division sign is there. We will write 1 upon 4 can be written as 4 to the power 3. We have discussed it so many times. Now 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, minus 2 to the 4 2s are 8. Division. Division means we will convert it to multiplication and it will become 1 upon 4 to the power 3. Now 27 minus 8. So 8 and 9 is 17 and 1 carry 19 upon 4 into 4 is 64, the 64. This is the value of this number. So reciprocal will be 64 upon 19. That is the value. Now I have taken question number 11, second part. Again in this question it is given simplify. Simplify means find the value. So this can be written as 2 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 2. Then division sign. 5 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 5 to the power 2 into minus 5 upon 8 can be written as 8 upon minus 5 to the power 2. Now we will solve it. This division sign will become multiplication and 5 goes to the, means 1 upon 2 into reciprocal of 1 upon 5 will be 5. So into 5 and whole power 2 into 8 square and 5 minus 5 square will be plus 5 square because 2 is even number and when there is in power there is even number, so negative sign converts to positive sign. So like this. It means when you open this, this will become 5 to the power 2 upon 2 to the power 2. 5 square upon 2 square into 8 square upon 5 square. Now 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. So 5 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3 is 8 and its power is given as 2. 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 and its power is given as 2 upon 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. It means that 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power minus 2. This portion I am bringing to the numerator. So sign will change into 2 to the power. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Power of power gets multiplied by second rule. And then 2 to the power minus 2. This also goes to the numerator. So sign will become minus. So 5 to the power 2 minus 2 into 2 to the power 6 minus 2. 5 to the power 2 minus 2 is 0 and 2 to the power 6 minus 2 is 4. Something to the power 0 is 1 and 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 16 into 1. So final value is 16. That is the final value. Now we have finished this exercise. All the questions you will be doing in your fair notebook and whatever is left you will be doing in your practice notebook, and we'll meet with the next topic. Maybe it is some standard forms. So by the time, keep on practicing. If you have any doubt, please send it to my number on WhatsApp, and please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.